Good morning, class. Welcome to VPS e-learning. Again, I'm your English teacher Matulika. The class from today we have to start our workbook. And in workbook we have to first start the poem break. Then we have to complete chapter number 9 Karate Parrot, and the last chapter is chapter number 12 The King Keeps His Promise. So class, these three chapters we have to complete in our workbook, and then we have to complete the left exercise of language and read a book. So watch that video carefully, class, and complete your work. From here we have to start today. The whole nation's there to see the coronation. Coronation means the ceremony when the king is crowned. So Black Michelle was the step brother of the king, will be ready to step in. We can't send words to say that the king is asleep. We could say that he is ill, said I in coronation. In correction, ill echoed sapped with a crown full love means they said that Fritz said that we cannot inform to the people that the king is sleeping, and if we say like this, then Black Michelle will be ready to be the king. We will inform them that the king is ill. Well, that is can we do, said Fritz helplessly. Tell me, said Sapt, do you think the king was poisoned? Poisoned means किसी ने किंग को जहर दे दिया. I do, said I. And who arranged it means who arranged all this thing to give the poison to the king? That evil screamer, Black Michelle, said Fritz between his teeth. Yeah, said Sapt, so that he can take the crown. Means if the king was poisoned, he will die, and then Black Michelle will be the king. Rudolph here doesn't know for Michelle. First, and I know that Michelle will be ready to step in and take the crown. Means if the king will not go to attend the coronation, then Black Michelle will be the ruler or will be crowned. Well, could carry him there, said I. What for? He is asleep, screamed Sapt. Fritz buried his face in his hand. The king breathed loudly and heavily. Sapt stirred him again with his foot. He is not perfect, he said, but he is the rightful heir, and I made a promise to his father. I will never forgive myself if I allow Black Michelle to sit in his place. King was unable to go to attend the ceremony, but he is the right heir. Right heir means he is the right person to be the ruler of the country. And he said that Fritz said that I promised to his father that I will care him, and I will make him the king. I will never forgive myself if Black Michelle will be the king. For a moment or two we were all silent. Then Sapt took his pipe from his mouth and said to me, as a man grew old, he believed in fate. Fate sent you here. Fate sends you now to coronation in Strelou. Strelou is the name of the country. Strelsung. So now the Sapt is saying to Rudolph, means your faces look like, well, Rudolph's faces look like the king. So they said that this is the fate sent, means by luck, किस्मत से तुम यहाँ पे आए हैं, and you have to go to attend coronation. So class, this is enough for today. From tomorrow we will complete the next explanation of the chapter.